Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot reset Apple ID password. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to reset your Apple ID password, but you're facing this type error which is cannot reset Apple ID password. So let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So the very first thing, you just have to go back from here and you have to try to open your settings app. In settings, you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. And you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So go for general here and go for VPN device management. And you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go to your date and time section, enable toggles set your date and time automatically. Then go to software update and also try to update your software. After updating software, go back and here go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings and the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all over your iPhone network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network settings, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. Or you can also go ahead to your screen time section and here go to content and privacy restrictions and you have to disable all the restrictions from here because sometimes it might be that your iPhone or your Apple ID password has been restricted due to these restrictions. So you have to try to disable this toggle to disable all the restrictions on your iPhone. Then go back from here and try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So you have to go ahead to your settings app here, tap on your Apple ID, and here just select sign in and security. And here it might be you have to verify yourself using your iPhone passcode. Then select this change password option. And here you have to enter your iPhone passcode. And here you have to try to enter a new password which you want to create. You just have to enter your new password, then re-enter your new password here, and after that your password must have to be changed. Or if your password is still not changed, so you can try to log in your Apple ID on another device or any trusted device in which you have recently logged in your Apple ID. So after that your issue must have to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.